Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1969 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, correct oil pan for the 69 Camaro. Paint the engine the red with the brass freeze plugs. Customer requested the AFR aluminum cylinder heads. We have those on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These real nice chrome Chevrolet valve covers with the polished intake manifold. We have the thermostat housing on there, thermostats in there, extra water ports for any sensors customer might need, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the MSD ignition coil on there, distributor set in place, small cap distributor, real important on the 69 Camaro for firewall clearance right there. This is the proper tooth count and balance standard flywheel for the 350 Chevrolet for the 69 Camaro. Pellet bearings in there. We have the high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice blue Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. High flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line with the inline gas filter. All the loop clamps going up to the chrome fuel line on the carburetor. Customer is getting the 8 rib serpentine pulley kit on here. We have the chrome alternator, high flow aluminum water pump, GM Saginaw power steering pump. So this is the way you get it when you buy an engine from Engine Factory, complete turnkey, ready to go. You'll see your engine running in the engine stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted. So there you have it. Again, our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey engine. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.